honored to be part of today's event. I'm here because I support Shiksha and I believe Padhega India, tabhi to Padhega India. I'm here to spread the awareness of the children of India who unfortunately are not, able to get basic education. And it's extremely saddening to know that. I'd like to congratulate Shiksha, CRY and PNG for their outstanding work over the years. So let's all join in and contribute to this cause and make India a better tomorrow. Thank you.
Project Shiksha is a very simple program where if you buy any one of PNG partners like Sony TV, Radio City, and with the help of leading folks in the Indian society like the ones we have on stage right now. In the last 4 years, PNG has managed to touch more and more lives through Project Shiksha. Last year, we impacted about 67,000 children.
शिक्षा जो है एक बहुत ही अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और 2005 से ये लोग चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन के प्रोग्रेस के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और अब तक तो इंडिया में 200 million uneducated children are there and there are around 100 million children who attend primary school and opt out, which is very sad. And if we want to be economically in a better position, it's very important that each child has the right to education and it's up to us and we have to not waste any time and now is the right time. There's never a tomorrow to start. Today is the day to start and I request all people, men and women to buy these certain consumer goods which support in children education. I think the whole concept of the time capsule is something which is very unique and which is something which will be as good as going down, in the books of history, like you say. There's a box which will show people who are going to be living 100 years later about how the education in India was today, what kind of school bags the kids carried, what kind of water bottles, the kind of notebooks, the medals, the uniform. For me, even sometimes when you see 50 years back, probably our parents were in school and their whole outlook towards education, the things they carried to school were very different. And it's nice for us today to see that. So I'm sure people who are born 100 years later would love to see what India was like as far as our education was concerned. Hopefully by then India will be on a totally different platform. Everyone would be educated. There would be lesser poverty, or I would say no poverty at all. And we've got to make Indians proud and give the children their right to education.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.